Harvesters gather only the ripest cocoa pods, ensuring exceptional quality from the very beginning.
Each cocoa pod is harvested by hand to protect both the tree and future harvests. Only perfectly ripened cocoa pods are selected to create the finest chocolate. Every chocolate bar begins its journey in the lush cocoa plantations of the tropics. Inside every cocoa pod are dozens of precious beans. They are the true beginning of chocolate. The freshly harvested cocoa pods are transported to the collection station, where the next stage of chocolate making begins. The beans are turned several times each day, ensuring they dry evenly and develop the perfect quality for chocolate production.
The fermented cocoa beans are carefully dried under the tropical sun, reducing moisture while preserving their rich flavor.
Over several days, natural fermentation transforms the cocoa beans, creating the deep aromas and flavors that define fine chocolate.
The beans are covered with banana leaves. This allows fermentation to unlock the rich flavors of chocolate.
The fresh cocoa beans are carefully removed and prepared for fermentation, the process that develops chocolate's signature flavor.
After passing quality inspection, the cocoa beans are carefully packed and sealed, ready for shipment to chocolate manufacturing facilities around the world.
Every batch is carefully inspected to ensure the cocoa beans meet the strict quality standards required for premium chocolate.
Carefully controlled roasting unlocks the rich aroma and deep flavor that make chocolate so irresistible. Advanced cleaning systems remove every impurity, ensuring only the highest quality cocoa beans continue to the roasting stage. Upon arrival, every shipment is inspected, recorded, and transferred into the factory's automated processing system.
After a carefully managed journey, the premium cocoa beans arrive at the chocolate factory, where modern technology transforms them into the world's favorite sweet treat.
The premium cocoa beans are securely loaded and prepared for their journey to the chocolate factory, where the transformation into chocolate truly begins.
The chocolate liquor is blended with carefully measured ingredients to create the smooth, balanced flavor loved around the world.
As the cocoa nibs are finely ground, their natural cocoa butter is released, creating rich, velvety chocolate liquor.
The roasted beans are cracked open, and their delicate shells are removed, revealing pure cocoa nibs, the heart of every chocolate bar.
The roasted beans are carefully cooled to preserve their flavor before the shells are removed. Every chocolate bar undergoes inspection to ensure flawless quality before packaging.
Controlled cooling solidifies the chocolate. This locks in its glossy finish, crisp snap, and perfect texture.
Perfectly tempered chocolate is deposited into precision molds, creating uniform bars with flawless shape and texture. Tempering creates stable cocoa butter crystals. This gives chocolate its glossy finish, satisfying snap, and smooth melt. Conching slowly refines the chocolate, creating its signature silky texture and rich, balanced flavor. Every shipment is carefully loaded and secured before beginning its journey to supermarkets and stores across the world. Robotic palletizing prepares every shipment for safe storage and efficient global distribution. Advanced robotic systems pack and seal every shipping case with speed, precision, and complete consistency.
Each chocolate bar is carefully packed, coated, and inspected before being prepared for shipment to stores around the world.
Each chocolate bar is carefully wrapped and sealed to preserve its freshness, flavor, and premium quality. From the factory to store shelves around the world, every chocolate bar completes an incredible journey before reaching your hands.
From a single cocoa bean to a perfectly crafted chocolate bar, this is how modern factories create one of the world's most loved treats.